Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, here we go. Back in the saddle. Let's see what we've got going on outside right now. Good afternoon. I just peeked outside. We've got a beautiful sunset set up so far. Temperature's still not bad, around 58 degrees in Eugene. As you might expect, we only got into low 60s today, so we're going to fall off pretty quickly as we head in towards this evening. 59 in Cottage Grove, 66 in Roseburg. A little cooler than that up into the mountains still. Freezing levels way up there, around 14,000 feet, and a pretty comfortable evening so far as you get out towards parts of the coastline. Now, I want to show you something kind of cool here. Saw it just a second ago. I'm going to zoom things out just a bit, kind of move on over, and you see that there's our little streak once again just to the left of your screen there. Remember, we were talking about this last week as the sun continues to get a lower and lower angle going into fall here. When we get to sunset, and it only happens just for a couple of minutes, you get that point where the rays coming off of the radar sweep are basically trying to tell you there's something it's hitting out there, running into basically a little sun ray there. Neat to see that effect. But otherwise, that's about it. The storm tracker has been pretty quiet. Not a whole lot for it to check out over the next couple of days. And in fact, what we've been looking at for the most part is the real cold air spilling southward on the back end of a big trough of low pressure that's pretty much taken over most of the central and eastern half of the United States, not backing up any. That's good. That means a high pressure aloft will continue to keep us under a very clear sky as we go towards the rest of the night tonight. That said, early tomorrow morning, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning or so, just before we get ready for KZI 9 News this morning, and Melissa Fry will be talking about the thick fog that you'll be dealing with again as we head off to school and work. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s, around 40 in Roseburg, and probably around 40 to 45 degrees out to the coast. Speaking of the coast, 55 in Newport today, a little warmer than that, 61 in North Bend. Got up to 70 in Roseburg. The warm spot, Medford at 73, 63 here, Corvallis, Eugene, and just a tad warmer than that, Portland at 65. And no clouds out to the Dalles today. Nice, strong offshore wind kept things warmer, around 70 degrees. So we've got high pressure aloft. Look at the jet stream going way off the map there, and then spilling southward over in towards the northern Rockies. Now, this will stick around for most of the weekend forecast. We're going to keep our eye on this low that's been developing on the bottom end of this trough or this dip of the jet stream. That one will slowly start to meander close to us as we get in towards the back end of the weekend. I don't think it'll have a lot of effect, though. It'll likely get swept up and head north. There's another one that will develop that may bring a change for some weather by late next week. Otherwise, as you can see, pretty much staying sunny through the weekend, and a good-looking forecast as well. So, Cougs at the Ducks. Thank you, my Cougar friends at the news desk. 60 degrees for kickoff. We'll see the temperatures fall quickly, probably the upper 40s by second half, but still clear and looking good for the home game. So, mostly sunny skies at the coast. Temperatures will be around 62 in Newport and 64 in Florence. A little warmer than that as you get down towards the south coast. 68 on Saturday. Mid-60s. Some morning clouds moving back into the forecast, and might cloud things up by next Thursday. We'll see if we get a little cutoff low that tries to sneak its way towards the coast. In the Umpqua Basin, mid to upper 60s tomorrow, low 70s. Great looking late October forecast for folks down in Douglas County. In the Cascades, freezing levels at 14,000 feet. Sunny and mild. Temperatures the upper 50s to around 60, mid 60s in Bend and Redmond. Sunny, mild forecast. Chilly overnights. Nice warm afternoons across central Oregon. And finally in the valley, I think we'll get a little warmer tomorrow. I don't think the clouds will be as thick. The marine layer, or not the marine layer, excuse me, the valley fog layer is likely going to burn off a little quicker tomorrow. So I'm going to warm us up just a bit, and then I think as we get to the weekend, guys, great looking forecast. Nice, cool, chilly starts, and nice finishes, too. A lot of folks getting some extended time to get the gardens, get the housework done, get the outdoor stuff taken care of. It's good stuff.
All right.